choosing between the Toto Drake 1.6 gallons per flush toilet and the American Standard Cadet Pro 1.6 gallons per flush toilet can seriously affect how clean your bathroom stays and how often you deal with clogs or maintenance hassles. So, here's the lowdown on these toilets. The American Standard Cadet Pro does have holes in the power wash rim, which are designed to blast water around the bowl sides for better cleaning. That feature sounds awesome because it helps keep stains and gunk at bay, but yeah, those holes can sometimes get clogged with mineral deposits if you have hard water. To avoid that, you can regularly clean the rim holes with a small brush or soak vinegar around the rim to break down buildup. On the other hand, the Toto Drake doesn't have those rim holes, so it relies more on water force from the trapway to clean the bowl, which means sometimes the sides don't get as clean, especially if you don't flush often. If you want to keep your bowl sides spotless without worrying about clogged rim holes, you might need to do a bit more manual scrubbing with the Drake. Both toilets use 1.6 gallons per flush, which is standard and saves water compared to older models. Also, check if your water supply has a lot of minerals because that will impact how often you need to do maintenance on those rim holes in the Cadet Pro. In general, if you prefer less hassle and don't mind extra scrubbing, Toto Drake is solid. If you want a cleaner bowl with some upkeep, Cadet Pro is probably your best bet. One of the biggest mistakes people make when choosing either of these toilets is ignoring water quality and how it affects mineral buildup in those rim holes on the Cadet Pro. If you don't clean them regularly, deposits will clog those holes and reduce cleaning power. Another common issue is underestimating the importance of flushing technique. Sometimes quick or partial flushes leave behind residue no matter which toilet you pick. A fix here is to flush fully and regularly to keep everything flowing smoothly. Lastly, people often forget to check trapway size and design. A smaller or poorly designed trapway can cause clogs and slow flushing in both models. Picking a model like Cadet Pro with a larger trapway or keeping drain lines clear helps avoid backups. BigHomeProjects.com is great for homeowners who want to find trusted local contractors without the headache of sifting through reviews or ads. It also hooks up contractors with real work by connecting them directly to people needing home improvement help, making it easier for both sides to get what they want without wasting time.